The snoring was very loud and constant, and it was just, to describe it would be to tell you that it was just very draining to be next to somebody who you're trying to sleep and you've got that loud reverberation.
You know, I was hoping she'd get to sleep before I come up, because I started getting to the point where I was concerned, because I knew she wasn't going to get much rest if I came to bed at the same time. So I remember going home and saying, she got the bill in, because she does all the bills. She goes, "Hey, what's this?" I go, "Oh, that's something I purchased. It's going to help my snoring." And you know, she'd been so used to me buying all the other stuff I tried. It was just, she was kind of skeptical, say, "Oh, okay, well, there's another gimmick. Are you going to even try it?" And I said, "No, I really read up on this, and I'm going to make an effort with this. I'm going to try it." And pretty much it's stopped my snoring, so it's worked great for us.
So my experience with the ZQuiet was, it was like a sudden realization that Nick wasn't snoring, that I was getting sleep and felt more rested. My life before ZQuiet was not as restful, and the big difference is I'm happier in the morning and more energetic. Yeah, that's the best way to describe what ZQuiet's done for us, is I'm a happier person in the morning and more energetic, and I think that carries through the day.